Friends, today, let's break down a hardcore manufacturing topic. Why can't high-end motors do without CNC machining centers? First, let's dispel a misunderstanding. Many people think a motor is just a copper coil wrapped in an iron shell. In fact, the main shaft, precision bearings, and cooling fins at its core are all artworks with nanometer-level precision. Imagine this. A motor rotates tens of thousands of times per minute. If the rotor has an eccentricity of just 0.01 millimeters, it'll instantly turn into a vibrating massager, the 5-axis cutter head of a CNC. Machining center can carve cooling grooves on titanium alloy that are thinner than a human hair, ensuring the coil doesn't fail under high temperatures. What's even more amazing is the dynamic balancing process. It's like performing a micro-carving operation on the impeller of a high-speed fan, removing just a gram. More of material could cause the noise of the entire motor to skyrocket. Here's a practical tip. Next time you're buying precision equipment, check the IPM value in the parameter list. This feed rate per minute directly reflects the machining level. For example, for the aluminum alloy housing of an automobile motor, only a CNC center with an IPM is greater than or equal to 800 can mill mirror-like flow channels, boosting the heat dissipation efficiency by 30%. Guys, which industrial-grade motor has impressed you the most? Share its cutting-edge technical parameters in the comments section.